Deep enlightenment.
Why is it so entertaining?
Alright, now, Bob, David, I want you to run to the back door and back, or at least power walk.
Oh my god.
He's just laying there. You alright, man?
You alright, bro?
Yeah,
How you feeling?
I can't get up.
Oh, Lord. Alright. Well, you're just gonna be laying there for a minute. Hey, he can't get up. Yay, David.
I'm stoned.